Hi everyone, this is The Voice Generations and this is Coach Del. Experience ko dito, especially with this chair, kahapon pa lang sa rehearsal.
Formal stage. Okay pala yan. This is so good. This is so good.
Feels so surreal na finally nakita ko na siya, nahawakan ko. And today, naupuan ko siya kasi hindi naman ako makapaniwala na naging part ako ng The Voice Generations and maging coach pa. Kaya I'm super happy and talagang hindi ako makapaniwala. Parang nanaginip pa rin ako ngayon. Sana di na matapos ang panaginip ko. So, very thankful to everyone na naniniwala sa akin, especially The Voice Generations. Thank you so much.